Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I want to show you what I draw when I don't know what to draw. Usually in a meeting or in a class, for example, I want to draw something but I don't know what to draw. And sometimes I just scribble, random lines, but I am not satisfied with those lines and I want something which is more, beautiful. And therefore I draw something like this. It looks beautiful and you may think this is complicated, but trust me, this is very, very easy. So if you think you can draw a line, you can draw something like this, and I will show you how. The first thing you want to do is to have your pencil ready. Okay, so I want to sketch something like this. This is very simple actually. You want to draw the head, right? So I'm using a marker for now, but later I will use pencil. I just want to show you how I draw it. Okay, and the first thing you need to draw is just to draw a circle like this, and then you need to draw a neck, then give it a body. Okay, it doesn't have to be full body because we are going to cover some of it later. Okay, I will I will draw a nose like this, and two eyes, then mouth, then of course eyebrow. Okay, then we'll cover it with some lines like this. Okay, now I will start using my pencil. I draw a circle here. Okay, maybe you cannot see it clearly, but I want to assure you that it's there. Now I have the head. Now I'm going to draw the body. I think this is enough. I give a nose to her and some eyes, smiling lips, and also an eyebrow. Okay, that's it. I am done. Then I want to draw a frame first. Okay, so when you draw, please keep in your mind that you don't need to draw everything straight, because I believe, in my opinion, I think that straight line is boring. Okay, that's it. Then I will draw the nose, the lips, the eyes, the eyebrow, and I will also draw some, no, the neck. Okay, okay, I think that's it. When you are done with this step, what you need to do is just to draw lines, Don't draw straight lines, but just make it wavy. Okay, then another there. It's done. Then it's here. I want it. Okay, you can make it as wavy as you can, as you want. Okay, okay. Wait, I will draw her shoulder. Okay, so draw as many as wavy lines as you want. I think I need. Okay, I think this is okay. Oh, I want something. Okay, I think I finished for this step. Then, I just use regular marker and I can keep using it if I want to, but for now I want to use my drawing pen. Then I will start drawing one line after another. So that's the only thing you need to do. You just need to follow the line you previously made before. Then, yeah, just fill in the space. Fill in every space here but this one, because this is the body, right? So I will just do it. So you see, it doesn't look much at the moment, but just trust the process. And this is also very good activity if you want to kill time. You're waiting for someone or something. Then you want to do something and you don't want to get stuck with your mobile phone and you want to stay productive. This is one thing you can do. At least this is what I've been doing so far. And of course, if you want to, you can use the smaller size of drawing pen. Here I use 0.4. The smaller the size of the drawing pen is, it's going to give you a finer line, the finer lines, of course. So I think it looks good already. Okay, I finished with the hair. Then I want to color her dress. So I use this red, what is it? French vermilion, but you can use any color you want. Okay, I finished. This is very easy. So, oops. This is very easy and I believe that everyone can do it. Okay, thank you for stopping by in my YouTube channel. I hope you can come by and visit me again sometimes. Please like and also subscribe to my channel and I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.